Hi, this is Jojo from Sneaker Lab, and today we will be going through how to clean your white leather Air Force 1s. First, you will need to prep your shoes for cleaning. Start by doing a spot clean by using a dry brush and scrubbing all excess dirt off before you start the deep clean. You can also hit the shoe with your hand to remove any leftover dirt. Next, remove the laces, which we will clean at a later stage. Grab a sneaker wipe to get rid of any surface level scuffs and stains as we prepare for the deep clean. We will now turn our attention to cleaning your sneakers. Generously spray your Air Force 1s with our sneaker cleaner, spraying at least 20 sprays per shoe. Fill a container with water and wet the bristles of your brush. Gently scrub the upper of your shoe in small circular movements. By doing this, you won't harm the leather. Rinse the brush and reapply sneaker cleaner when necessary, paying attention to those hard to reach places. Once you've cleaned your upper, make your way down to the midsoles of the shoe. Finally, finish off by giving the undersoles of your shoe a scrub. Once you have cleaned your shoes, use our microfiber towel to partially dry them off, and then set them aside to dry. We will now turn our focus to the laces. Generously apply sneaker cleaner to your laces, rub them together between your hands, and then dip them in water. Continue this process until your laces are well saturated. Wring out a bit of the water and leave the laces to dry overnight. Once your laces and shoes are dry, lace up your kicks in preparation for applying our odor protector and sneaker protector. Use our odor protector to keep your sneakers feeling fresh for longer. If you have inner soles that are removable, spray them and the inside of your sneakers. This will fight off any unwanted odors. Lastly, generously spray the outside of your sneakers with our sneaker protector to protect them from dirt and stains, as well as making future cleans easier. And that was our step-by-step guide on how to clean your white leather sneakers. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out our social media platforms to stay tuned for more sneaker-related content from Sneaker Lab.